Howdy folks, Watching Day. So today we're gonna be going out and I don't know why the dog's chasing trucks, but he's chasing. Well, we're going out and check traps. We'll probably go check some cameras too. We're gonna let Ricky out first here though. So we got a few traps to check, not many, but a couple. So I'm gonna go ahead and let him out real quick. You ready to come out?
Ooh, is somebody ready to come out tonight?
Shut this back.
What are you doing? Was you ready to come out tonight? Was somebody ready to come out tonight? Ooh, hi there.
Okay, Ricky's happy. Hi, buddy. How you doing? Now, be really happy if we got coon in the trap. So, hopefully we do. Probably not, but we'll see. Well, let's go check the traps. We can check this one from right here. Nothing. This place is getting like a ghost town. I ain't even caught no possum. I ain't even caught a possum. I ain't caught nothing. I caught a skunk the other week, but I don't know. Starting to get slim here. Well, nothing in trap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 2 more traps to check. Hopefully, we'll have something in one of the 2. Well, didn't catch nothing. I don't know. Like I say, it's like a ghost town. I don't see anything anymore. Not on camera, nothing. I don't know where everything goes. I mean, yeah, last year I destroyed the coons, but I mean, I've seen them here and there, but possums, like, I'm looking at something. Like, this year, basically everything I've caught, I've let go besides one possum. And a skunk. And that's all that I've killed. Everything else I've just let go. And, well, I don't know. Normally, I mean, I'm catching 2 or 3 possums a week. Maybe 3 or 4 possums a week. I mean, normally I'm destroying the possums. And a coon once or twice every 2 weeks or something. But this year, I'm not catching anything. I'm not even seeing any squirrels. So, I don't know if we just killed everything, what's going on, but I don't know. Maybe killing all this stuff is taking a toll. We'll have to see, I guess. So, let's go check some cameras. Well, I don't know if I ever posted a video or not, but we got the folder fixed. So, that's the start. So, don't know, I broke it when the snow sled chain popped off and broke the safety screws. And, well, ended up being a whole lot more problems. It broke a lot of it. So, either way, we got it fixed. Let's go check the camera. Yeah, well, I just grabbed that SD card out that camera. And, well, now we're going to walk back in here and check this other camera. I'm supposed to be sending my phone. I don't know what done happened. But we'll see. Yeah, we'll just grab this SD card, so let's check it. Yeah, well, as y'all seen, bunch of skunks. I think it's 2 or 3 different ones. And then that fox. I've been wanting to kill that fox so freaking bad. Trap him, kill him, something. But not seeming to work out for me. So, either way, all we can do is keep getting pictures of them, I guess. So, I'm gonna put this SD card back in this camera and let it keep going. Okay, well, I know it's gonna probably be a waste of time, but I'm going to go through here, take a quick little walk, see if I can stumble upon a shed. I know it's where I jumped a big buck this bow season, so I'm gonna cruise through that area. See if the sheds are laying right there. Maybe, maybe not. Yeah, well, I didn't quite find a shed. Oh, well, that's a start. Oh, man, look at this. It's a good bed right here. No sheds in it, but look at that. That's cool. It's a, like, hornet's nest, but it's close to the ground. I've actually never seen one that close. Here's the bed, and there's fresh deer side right there. So, I might find a shed, probably not there. Okay, well, I just pulled this SD card out of this camera, which I just put that camera there, so I know it's not gonna have any pictures or anything right here, but hopefully it'll have something. Got old Ricky here. Let's go ahead and check it. Well, I ain't doing nothing else, so let's check that other camera from up there at the house. Well, making improvements, y'all. Finally got a deer on camera and a rabbit, and something I have no idea what that is. Well, we'll look back at that in a little while. But I have no idea what that is, so we need to figure that out. I think it was an owl, but I really have no clue what it was. Kind of looked funny. So let's go grab these other two SD cards and see what we got. Just grab that SD card. It's on that tree right there. And well, decided to climb up on the tree stand and check the camera. So let's get to it. Alright, y'all. Well, as y'all just seen, I gotta take these out. so I can talk. But as y'all just seen, well, we're starting to see some more deer on camera, and I ain't been seeing none for a while. Well, we are now, but back then we wasn't, because well, it was right after deer season, so well, nothing was moving. But we seen a fox, bunch of skunks. I took care of a lot of them skunks, and yeah, so that was pretty cool. We found that beehive looking thing. I actually seen it today when I was doing some shed hunting. Didn't find anything, by the way. But either way, don't forget to go check out the merch. First link down in the description. We got shirts, hoodies, stickers, all type of stuff, and we're gonna be coming out with some new merch hopefully soon. So either way, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.